So why did we develop the IQ4M? Well, we spend a lot of time with our customers in their facilities, talking to engineers, operators, factory managers. And we're really trying to understand the pain points they face on a daily basis and how we can use our experience in R&D and contaminant detection to try and solve some of those challenges. So they really came into two categories: detection performance and make my life easier. So when it comes to detection performance, it's about out-and-out detection capability. So for example, on heavy met film products, can we find smaller or large containers of raw meats? But also, can I get more headroom on my current detection performance? So if I'm close to the edge on what the product can currently achieve, can you give me more headroom? And make my life easier was, how quickly can I log onto the equipment? How securely can I be with my data? And then we got to work on the development. Well, we come from a fortunate position that we already have our patented variable frequency. So there's no compromise on the frequency you select for your product. However, with highly reactive products, it's often difficult to find the stainless steel elements. So really we needed to look at the product multiple times and at higher frequencies. So therefore, we developed our own multi-spectrum technology. So now, not only are we making no compromises on the frequency you select for the product, we're looking at the product multiple times. And that really brings out the contaminant detection. The second element, though, is around make my life easier and make my job more effective. And for that, we brought in OPC UA as standard for data and an RFID for seamless logging in and data security for the users. So it's not very often as a product manager you get the benefits of 55 years plus R&D experience in metal detection, developing things like patented variable frequency. But when that comes together with multi-spectrum and OPC UA and RFID, you end up with more confidence you're protecting your end customers, more confidence that you're reducing your risks for costs of false rejects, and more confidence you're giving your team the right tools to do the job.